4 questions to discover your own unique personality type based on the Myers-Briggs theory in under 120 seconds. How do you get your energy? I get energy by spending time with others. I usually speak first and then think. I am focused on the outer world. Or I am focused on my thoughts. I get energy by spending time alone. I usually think first and then speak. Remember your preference. E or I. How do you take in information? I pay a lot of attention to the details. I'm in tune with my 5 senses. I like practical things. I usually focus on the past or on the present. Or I easily notice patterns and can see the big picture. I prefer using my 6th sense. I like theories and thinking in an abstract way. I usually focus on what is possible in the future. Remember your preference. S or N. How do you make your decisions? I usually use logic. I'm interested in things and ideas. I treat everybody the same. Or I usually use my heart when making a decision. I'm interested in people and emotions. I treat people according to their situation. Remember your preference. T or F. How do you organize your life? I make plans in advance. I consider myself as organized and structured. I like finalized decisions. Or I can easily go with the flow. I consider myself as casual and relaxed. I like to change my mind and keep my options open. Remember your preference. J or P. Now you can put your 4 letters together and learn more about your unique personality type by clicking on your video. And don't forget to like, share with a friend and subscribe. Thanks for watching.